Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to skip the intro cinematic in Conan Exiles Enhanced on PC. This method is quick and easy, so let's get started. Step 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library, find Conan Exiles Enhanced, right-click it and select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Now click on Browse. Step 2. Once the game folder opens, open the Conan Sandbox folder. Open the Content folder. Open the Movies folder. Step 3. Now locate the file called exiles_cinematic_intro. BK2. Drag this file to your desktop or any other folder you want. This will disable the intro cinematic. Now launch the game. The intro should now be skipped automatically. If you want the intro cinematic back later, simply drag the file back into the Movies folder. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.